Hey everyone, welcome back to Levels of Styles with Sandra. Today I am sharing with you a collaboration with PANDAHALL Selected. They reached out to me and asked if I would like to collab with them and showcase some of their items, their handmade crafted items, and of course, I said yes after checking out their website. They have jewelry beads, jewelry finding, beading supplies, string materials, jewelry and watches, sewing and DIY crafts, beauty and personal care. Yes, you heard me, beauty and personal care. One thing that I did like that stood out is their website is very easy to navigate through, and you're able to find so many amazing products. So on the left side of the screen, I will be showing you how easy it is to navigate, and on the right side of the screen you will be seeing the items that I selected. So here we are with my first item. This is a 1 box round mixed color imitation pearl ABS acrylic dome, and it is, like I said, 6 different sizes, and it's 690 pieces total. And it is so many things that you can utilize these beads for. And I cannot wait to share with you what I will be creating. So you make sure you stay tuned. Okay, before we move along to my next item, I just want to take this time to welcome all my new subscribers and to also share love to my day ones. I appreciate both of you guys' support. You all are showing up and showing out, and I just want to take this moment to say thank you. Now we are moving on to the next item. This is a faux leather self-adhesive fabric sheet in the color dark red. The front of it is waterproof. It is high temperature coloring, no shedding, no fading. It also is, like I said, have a strong adhesive. It's wear resistant and scratch resistant. And it has different textures available. So you guys, if you are looking for some beautiful faux leather, I suggest you check them out. All right, guys, moving along. The next item I am sharing with you all is this 4-piece wood tea display stands. They actually have 2 colors. They have what I'm sharing with you, the coconut wood, and they also have the natural wood. These are some beautiful, sturdy display stands. I am so glad that I found these, because you know I love to display my dishes in my curio cabinet as well as other things. So I cannot wait to utilize these pieces for my next DIY. And I also have a coupon code that I will be linking with all of the items that I am sharing with you today. My next item is this Elite aluminum foil with brass foil, painting brush. It is mixed color foil. The sheets are 140 by 140 millimeters. It comes with 200 pieces. And again, like I said, it comes with the paintbrush. Now in this package, you will have 2 colors. Each color is 100 pieces. You have your brush so that you can brush on your foil as well as brush off your excess. And these foil sheets can be utilized in numerous DIYs. So I hope you guys have on your notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload these awesome DIYs. Now we are moving along to our next item. In here we have these beautiful natural solid wood carved onlays. They are craft unpainted onlays for furniture, home decor, or for door cabinets, or whatever you want to utilize them for. So this is a 10-pack, and they are very beautiful. You guys know that I love French country decor, so I am very excited to be able to utilize these. I'm not quite sure what I will be doing with these just yet. Just stay tuned so that you can see what I am going to be creating. Yes, very excited. They are so beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And guys, these are ready for paint. Ready for paint, ready to be stained, whatever you want to do with it, they are ready. I want to take this time to thank PANDAHALL Selected for reaching out to me and sending me these beautiful quality pieces. Everyone, please be blessed and be a blessing to someone else. Bye-bye.